fucking ass over there and hold these men off now. Fixing to lift off. Put some pepper in your step dick, you jelly ass.
Walleye, this is Boomer 17 in Z. I need fast movers on my Yankee smoke, copy.
Oh, Jesus! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Get on that hole, get some firepower, boy!
Jesus Christ!
Listen, you chair fuck! You calling that snake and nap to get us some boom boom now! I do it myself, but I kinda goddamn business!
Walleye! I copy! We got boo coop zips in the Z! Rock and roll! What the fuck?
That's a Brooklyn motherfucker.
I think I can put it back in.
You gotta get back to the burn! Luke Miles got popped!
This is the last Christmas I spent with Victor Charlie up my ass.
You want some? Get some.
Hey yo, Fats. I ain't Team Foley.
Don't count him out! That bastard got a love tattoo to his ass!
Oh damn. Get your deep truck. I'll turn her ass in this chicken shape chop chop. ASAP.
4 leaves is still outside the perimeter, Sarge!
Miss me with that cracker jump job. We did him meow.
Come on, Sarge, stop driving. Foley is dead.
Dead meat, soldier. Or do you want to be a hero? That's just how Brooks got his Jew ass killed. Meatball's doggo ass bought the 6x3 farm. Now get your ass up in that Huey before I stop a trench in your honey hole. Come on, get down.
What am I looking at? What is this?
Come on, let's go.
Sarge. It's 4-leaf. No!
You get out of that hole!
You make it home now. Survive.